Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So it's next day, and I'm back out here with the Super Whooper. And so I just wanted to fly this guy line of sight and check out the punch and all. It seems that this frame is a little weak without those little struts on the bottom or whatnot, those little pieces that were there for structural integrity. They've been removed for this frame here in the design, and I found that they made the inside corners there a little weak. They kind of bend and are not round. As you can see there, this one is looking like it's flat on the inside right there. But anyhow, if you can get past that point right there, this thing is a really nice frame for a tiny whoop, traditional size. And these 35mm props makes a big difference in punch and all. And I'm thinking that maybe these 803 19,000 kV motors has something to do with helping it as well, to spin these props with a little more surface area on them. And so I brought my batteries out here, and this time they're charged up to high voltage. So I wanted to see what's the difference in punch and everything. I'm not sitting this thing on the ground, even though it's not really that cold out here, but I can see my breath in the air still, so it's cold enough probably to affect these batteries. So I'm just holding it in my hand. I have another battery in my pocket, and so we're gonna get started with some little punch outs I wanted to do and fly a little line of sight with it. Check it out. I don't know if I mentioned last time that I'm flying it with my deviated Devo 12E. Let's see. Okay, we're up in stability mode. Going to acro now. Let's see a punch out. So nice punch out. Thing is awesome. Wanted to have some fun with it, flying it high voltage, fly around the trees a little, do some acro, some power loops. I gotta be careful, my depth perception is not that good. I need glasses. Trying to keep it up a little high because it is a lot of green out here still, and this guy has a green frame. Definitely doesn't help, I'm pretty sure. This thing is an awesome line of sight flyer. Maybe a good trainer for somebody just starting out. Uh-oh, I don't know how long it's gonna last. Punch is getting weak. Let's bring it in. So let's swap out the pack real quick. And these are the packs here that I'm using. The GMB 380 milliamp hour HV packs. And they are rated 60 to 120 C burst. I'm curious how this would do on a larger frame too, and also with the other motors, the stock motors. And so I'm definitely planning on testing it out with the stock motors to see if the punch is any different, because the stock motors are a little lighter than these motors. Awesome punch out for a tiny whoop on 1S at that. The Super Whooper. Super Whooper. Oh man, what did I do? I tried to spin around. I think I got my I'm thinking maybe I have my yaw speed up too high for the crash recovery. I have crash recovery on here, I think, and whenever I bump into something or spin around too fast or whatnot, this thing, it'll just fall out of the sky. So I'm thinking that that's what it is. I watched a video that Bartwell was talking about that, and I'm thinking that's what it is, maybe. The crash recovery thing. I'm gonna try to do a speed pass with it before I get low on the battery. I'm gonna get it down there. Hopefully you guys can see it coming. I can't even hold it straight. Let's see. See if I can hold it straight here. Sheesh, the sun blinded me. Meow. Meow. Oh, gotta be careful with the spinning around. I forgot. See if I can get between these trees right here. Yep. Yeah, I really think that's what it is. I just flipped real fast and this thing just fell out of the sky. I think I'm going to end it on that note though. Battery is getting a little weak. And so the Super Whooper. This is a Mobula 6 on the new BetaFPV Meteor 6 Pro frame. I think it's called the Meteor 65 Pro 1S 2022 version. Thanks for watching.